Agagi, di nakabalong padagan. So this is the LS2.
Yes.
Yes. I'm going to buy this, but I changed my mind, so I go for cruise, which is this one.
Very good.
Wow, ang laki pala talaga. Oy.
Okay.
Sana ko ba dun tayo sa loob?
Tapos yung ito ba natin?
Wala ko na-expect na sa anak ko. Yung sa Singapore, parang ganito lang pa na ako.
Yung LS1.
Ito yung ano yung
Charger.
Ayan. Wala ko ah. Yan yung sa bell.
Yes.
Wow. Laki. So okay na yan. Pwede na i-drive.
Pwede na kagad i-drive.
Pwede kayo na paano natin gamitin? Saan ba yung ano, pang gear?
Actually, mag-bante ito po.
Bante.
Accelerator na. Yes.
Diretso na yan, hindi na kailangan i-push. Pwede na siguro i-drive mga kuya.
Gumagana.
Okay.
Brake ng likod, ma'am. Ito nasa left. Brake sa right, yung nasa harapan.
Dalawang upuan.
Upuan na. Pero 50,000.
Oo, na-check ko yun sa... okay. Meron pala yan. Na-check ko yun sa online din eh.
Yung 65 may roof na yan. May roof.
Yung 65, may roof.
na.
65 man ay ato. Ganda. Oh my God, di ko yata
Ganda
kaya
sa
ng
highway.
buhangin
Kaya mo to, ma'am.
mag-isa.
Kaya
Ilang kilo ba to? This is the 1,000 cruise. Yes! Wow, I'm so excited to use this one. Wow, so I'm so excited to drive this one. It looks so big and real. Hey guys, I'm going to introduce to you my new favorite toy so far. I've been wishing to have this since I tried. Hello! Hi! Hello! come here, sit down. Yes, so I've been wishing to have this kind of e-scooter since I tried one in Singapore. So right now I have this Cruise 1000 from UCM. They have dealer in Cagayan de Oro, so I bought one in Cagayan de Oro, and so there you are. As you can see in the previous videos, I showed you the box and they open it. So now I have this one. I already tried this. I'm going to mention the parts and the things that I know, of course. I have here manual. Give me that one, Sam. Yes, this is a manual. Yes. 1 to 14? So cute. Anyway, I have here the manual, user manual. I have also here the charger. I have the adapter. And then I have the cord. So you plug this adapter and then the cord right here. Then you can charge this for 4 to 5 hours, and then you can use it. Depends on the battery right here. I'll show you later also. Yes, so this is the cord and this is the adapter. I have here sticker of MADZ. Hi, shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. And also they gave me discount for this one. And also they have free mask. Nice. You like it? So I'm going to give you the parts. This one is the lock for foldable. This cruise 1,000 is a foldable and the weight is 21 kilos. Also good for rough road. I picked this because we have rough road a little bit in my area, and also it's good if I can bring it at the province. I used it already earlier. It was so nice. When I first drove it, I feel like can't balance easy because this one is heavy. The one I tried in Singapore was very light and small, but this one's really big. Like, I didn't expect that it is so big. The wheel's about 10-inch, and also this is good for rough roads, which is I like. I'm supposed to buy the LS2, which is not for rough road, but it's only for cement roads. So I decided to pick this one because, you know, I can bring it anywhere I want. If, for example, I'm going to travel around Mindanao or somewhere with Ready Teddy, or if I buy a new car and then I can put this one at the back, then I can use it wherever I want, explore the area using this one, so which is good. I need a padlock or a chain for this one in case if I wanted to park somewhere. So this one's metal, the upper part also metal, and then the battery is under there. They also have stand. So far I like it. This left side is back brake, and then the right side is the front brake. This one is the accelerator. This one is the front brake. Actually, I can already stand and use it and drive it. I will show you in some videos. I'm so excited to show you. Let's try to open it. So this is on off. Let's try turn it on. Just long press for 2 seconds. So this is gear. It means, I don't know if you can see it. You'll see the gear 1, which is slower. You need it if you are first timer riding this, but once you're used to it and you can drive fast, you go mode 2, which is faster, and you go mode 3, which is the fastest. Right now there is a 2 km. It means I drove already for 2 kilometers, and then that's the speed and start. This is 1, and also this is the power off and on, and this is the battery you can plug. So it's been 4 bars since I got this. So when I drove for 2 kilometers, the battery didn't change, which is good. It means this one's long last. I'm so excited to use it on the main road, guys. And also we have here, you can plug your phone and then you can charge also. There's a USB port right here, but you have to buy somewhere that you can put your phone here, which is I'm going to do it. So this is the folding lever. They also have anti-slip. Yeah. They have brake light at the back. You see that one? There's a light. At night, there's a light here. Let's turn it on. You have to long press the mode. So that's 1. So we have lights. You can see that. Just long press the mode for 2 seconds. This is also good because they have mud guard, which is nice. It looks like really motorbike, you know, something smaller motorbike. And also they have here, you know, when you try to signal, like beep beep for a motor. But I wish it's more louder, right? It's not that loud. I think that's it. So if you want to buy something like this, I think for me it's worth it. For me it's worth it because this is my dream toy, and also I really want it. Wait, Sam. If you want to buy, just click the link in the description. If you're around in Mindanao, you can buy this one at MADZ ATV Cagayan de Oro if you want to visit their store, and also if you want to visit Facebook account, MADZ ATV. I'm going to put the link also in the description. If you want to visit their store, they have ATV, e-scooter, other options. They also have treadmill, which is My treatment is also coming very, very soon. Yes, I'm so excited. The charging port is right here. This is a flash resistant, but it's not a waterproof. You can use it while it's raining, but not putting it on the water. Just be careful. The battery long lasts. I like it so much. Okay, so the price for this one is 56,500, including the shipping fee. But I got a discount, which is for featured discount. I'm glad they agree with that. It was so nice. I love it. I really love it. This is my new toy. I love this. But I also like drone, of course. I can probably use this, and then also the drone will follow me, which is really nice, right? I'm looking forward to do that, and hopefully I can do more vlogging with these ones, because this would be my new boyfriend, because we are going to travel together. Wow! Bye! So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos, for more Mindanao life videos, and also for the upcoming treadmill. I'm going to show you if that was worth it or not. But I'm so excited also to have it. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! And thank you so much, MADZ, ATV, CDO, Cagayan de Oro for the discount. And I love it so much. I really like it. It's so big, you know. Look, oh. Look at my legs. My legs, half. That. Wow. Bye! Wow.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something. I'll be your high. I hope I'll be your destination.
Agagi, di nakabalo mo padagas.
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel
Ilaga na.
that. You're up in the space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places,
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange.
lost control, made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.